nyo. Pero para sa akin, sobrang importante na dapat binabawasan nyo yung dun sa part ng necessities. Kasi the more na tumataas, nag-lifestyle inflation tayo, diba? We elevate our lifestyle. That's the time that we will end our financial freedom. Because we have to allocate more on financial freedom. And for me, what is applicable is that I always make it a point that I give the 10% to the church. It's very effective, guys. I've been doing it for several times. Ilang beses ko na rin yan. I've been into several bankrupts in my life, but I was able to get up again. Because our only source of income is who? God, diba? So you always have to give. And we have this principle of giving and receiving. If you will not give, what will happen? You will not receive. So you have to understand that you always have this guiding principle within your heart that you always have to give. And you always have the heart to always provide for other people. Because at the end of the day, we're doing this not just because of us.
Right.
Because it's so shallow. It's so shallow if you are just aiming for something for yourself alone. Sobrang shallow na. Darating sa panahon, pag nasa iyo na lahat, it will become worthless.
Right.
You will become unhappy. Diba? So you always have to remember that you always have to
Yeah.